So today we're going to grow some geraniums, and we're going to do them by seed. And this is Colorama F2 assorted, and it's lovely assortment of pinks and whites. So I'll show you how we're going to do it. First of all, we need a seed tray, and I've got some compost and I've got a bit of sand mixed in with the compost, and that's going to give a bit of drainage to the compost. So I'm just filling up our tray. And we're going to firm it down. So that's our tray. We can even use a bit of wood to make it level. So that's our tray. And we need some seeds. So this is verve, and this is sow from January to April, plant out May, June, and flowers from June to September. So we should get some of these in. We even get a little label. So I'll stick the label in there. Let's have a look at the seeds. These seeds are coloured, and if you can see them, they're coloured green, and they're quite big and easy to see. So we got our tray, and we're just going to line them up about 1 inch apart around the tray. And as these are green, we can easily see these. There we go. I'm going to put the remaining away, and we can grow those on another day. We're going to get our compost mixed, and we're just going to slightly cover the tray, pressing it firmly as we go. We've got our label, that's all sorted. Then all we need is some water. So my next job is to give these a bit of a water. This compost was quite damp, so it didn't need a lot. So we've just covered them in, and now they're going to sit indoors in around 20 degrees, and we can wait for them to germinate. Now they can be transplanted into the bigger pots. So the geraniums have grown on a bit now. Now we can transplant these into their final pot. So the pots we're using are these 5 litre flower pots, and we've got a mixture of compost and sand to give the good drainage, and we're filling the bucket up. We give it a good press, firm away the air pockets, making a small hole in the middle. Then we can take our geranium and then we're going to place this in the middle of our container, and we're just going to put one geranium per pot, and we press it down, and then we're going to give it a good water. Now it's got loads of space to grow on. So thank you for watching. And geraniums are kind of becoming one of my popular plants because in my garden slugs eat everything. So geraniums, slugs are avoiding, which is a real bonus. So I'm really going to grow a lot more geraniums next year. So also check out my videos of how to grow petunias and also fuchsias from seed to finish. That'd be wonderful. So thank you very much. If you're new to my channel, then please subscribe, ring that bell, get notifications when I post some more. Thank you very much.